Chris, the trials and the challenges that you have overcome are the reason that you carry such deep inner strength. The cracks that have formed throughout your life are why your light shines so brightly and warms others. Your strength and your light have helped me to become a version of myself whom I love, and I'm confident that we will just keep getting better together.
We came into each other's lives at a time when neither of us knew what challenges we would soon face. But throughout all of them, my love for you has only grown stronger. I'm grateful for every day for having you in my life.
You cannot hurry human growth. It is soft and quiet, quiet and soft. Only when the roots grow deep, deep within the soil, will its branches spread wide, wide as the earth is wide. Colleen, I'm sure your family saw you spread your branches. And Christopher, your family and I saw you spread your branches.
One, two, three, go!
I can hear you.
You're gonna die.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You look great.
You like it?
Yeah, you look amazing.
It's like jumping into the lake at night. Is my love too much? 'Cause I feel like it's eating me alive. Do you feel the same? Caught up in the way we are made of the same pieces. Color in the gray. All the light you gave is pouring out of me, yeah. Jump into the deep end, give you all my weekends, taking all the back roads. We can make the time slow, betting on a feeling. We keep on reliving as the moon is rising.
Promise to fill our home with acceptance, laughter, and joy, a place where we make the most of every moment. And I promise to love you unconditionally, always.
I vow to stand by you for all the inevitable challenges that we will face. I love you more than I have ever found a way to say to you.
Colleen and Chris, with absolutely no power invested in me whatsoever, I now pronounce you for the second time, husband and wife. You may kiss.
And now you are married, and I send my best wishes and congratulations to both of you. With love, Mamie or Rosemary.
Thank you, Mamie. Love you, Mamie.
I realized this looking at our other two children and their relationships with their spouses, in that they didn't change, they just became better. They were the same people. And that's my wish for Colleen and Chris, that you always be better versions of your same selves for each other.
Choose down the shore over the city. Choose tomorrow over yesterday. Choose to challenge. Choose to sacrifice. Choose to support. Choose unconditional. Choose empathy. Choose love. Choose family, and that includes to always have black labs. And above all else, choose each other.
You know her like her family knows her. And Chris, you said yes to spending the rest of your life with my sister. And because of that, you will be the recipient of her patience, her loyalty, her generated playlists for every occasion, and her spirit. And that makes you very lucky. But Colleen, you are the forever recipient of Chris's loving heart, his family-focused mindset, his enthusiasm, unwavering support, and thankfully his skills in the kitchen. And that makes your family feel very lucky. So please, everyone, join me in raising a glass to toast to Colleen and Chris. No matter how you get there or where you end up, remember that you have a miraculous gift together to make that place home. Cheers.
It's like jumping into the lake at night. It's my